Here are 6 sentences that will change your mindset and your life. 1. Stop telling people everything. Most people don't care, and some secretly want you to fail. 2. Choose your friends wisely. The fastest way to become better is to surround yourself with better people. 3. Expect nothing, appreciate everything. Feeling grateful for the little things in life will make your life much happier. 4. Do your best, trust the process. The harder you work, the luckier you will get. 5. Control yourself, not others. Controlling others is forcing strength. Controlling yourself, true power. And number 6, learn to react less. When you can control your reaction, nobody will be able to manipulate you. Now, if you want to take your new mindset and apply it to making money online, there's a proven system that me and regular people are doing to make $1,000, $5,000 days. If you want to learn more, check out the link in my bio. You'll watch a 14-minute video explaining everything. Let's go.